You're with them?
Are you also with them? Yeah. Go ahead with
We've arrived at the Beauty and the Beast Castle, so it's for our VR guest dining. So we're just waiting for our names to be called so we can go through to the main room. I've never done this before. First time for everything. Being our guest.
Where are you going?
Henry, come here. Say hello.
Hey, there's something interesting over here. Hi.
Welcome.
Raspberry, blue raspberry, a big old straw.
That's what my favourite. I can't see that now.
I can't see that.
It's lovely, isn't it?
We're not getting 4 different things. Me and him are getting the same too. What are you getting? I'm getting the snails and then the filet mignon.
And we're getting the potato leek soup, followed by that.
And then you get the 3 desserts.
3?
It's just 3 little ones come out on a plate.
Oh, do they?
That's the main, oh look. Dessert trio. And then it tells you what you get. A chocolate tart, a dark chocolate truffle, and a lemon jam macaroon.
Oh, so you don't have to choose that?
No.
Oh, that's fine, man. Better.
Yeah, the chocolate tart's the great stuff. It's delicious. That's the dish. Yeah, that's going to be on there, though.
Yeah, I want that. Yeah, I did. I was going to get that chicken. But then I changed my mind when I seen that.
Yeah, I can't believe you get the baby.
I was looking at
Oh, there we go.
Thank you very much.
You're covering the baby's face. With the drinks? You didn't get even see.
Hands out.
For starter, we're having escargot. Adam's having escargot. Ollie is having French onion soup. And Paul's having
Potato leek soup.
potato and leek soup.
Better than chicken arse because you want shit back in the meal.
Ollie is trying a snail.
Not for me.
Holly's first snail.
And that.
Oh, you never seen over here?
There's the fillet. That's the medium rare. That's my fillet, well done. Paul's having the chef's special. And Holly's having the chef special.
And I brought you these cards from the BC to remember you were here today. Is that nice? Is that delicious?
I've been looking forward to this, to try the grey stuff. Apparently, it's delicious.
Right, do you want to swap then? I'll let you get a drink.
So the total came to 341.33.
Take your hand out. Henry, well, Henry tried the great stuff. It was delicious.
So there you have it. Beauty and the Beast, VR guest dining experience. Highly recommended. You might think it's a bit on the steep side, price-wise, but I don't think so. The experience itself is probably a one-off. I probably won't ever do it again. But the meal was absolutely gorgeous, absolutely fabulous, I tell you. Probably one of the best meals I've ever tasted.